So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to put together a demo reel. And what is a demo reel? It's showtime. It helps us to provide more. We've got to think outside the box. It showcases your skills, your knowledge, your ability, the equipment you have, your data retrieval systems, your production quality, your delivery of the material. Now, production, it's a big thing. That's where your demo reel can showcase you above the competition. Because just don't think that taking a drone up there and shooting a few pictures is actually where it is. You're going to have to take those pictures and post produce those into something that's viable and usable. So showcase your best work. Because when you're getting started, you're not going to have that much work there. So try flying for your family, your friends, even fly for free. You're going to be putting that demo reel together. So recognize opportunities and be ready. I actually take my drone with me in the car whenever I'm going out because you never know when you might run into an opportunity out there of something that's unique that you can film and might look good in a demo reel, or might be able to be used as what we call B reel in the industry for something